Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe. Welcome back, Pixelvestors. Your business is organized and efficient, but success brings new kinds of problems to solve. Your brand is becoming popular, and now you have customers who don't live near the marketplace. How do you get your product to them?
This challenge is called Logistics. TAME, the business of moving goods from point A to point B.
Logistics. Easy. I'm fast. I'll just run it over to them myself. A noble effort. Let's see how that works out.
That took forever, and I could only carry a few carrots. There's no way we can do that for every customer.
Running? Eric, we have a logistics problem, and you don't solve it by working harder. You solve it with a better system. We won't run the carrots over there. We'll build a system to deliver the carrots for us.
An ambitious and excellent plan. Let's get to work.
First delivery! Coming up!
It worked. They got the carrots, and we got the payment.
A successful business doesn't just make a great product, it finds efficient ways to get that product to its customers. That is the power of logistics. Your delivery system is perfect. But what good is a fast delivery if the product that arrives is rotten?
That's a lesson on quality control for next time on Pixelvestors.
Welcome back, Pixelvestors! With their new logistics system, the team was delivering products faster than ever.
I don't understand what happened. Why are they angry?
Let's review the tape.
You were so focused on speed, you forgot the most important step: quality control. He's right. This can never happen again. We need to check every single delivery.
Exactly. We need a new step in our process. A quality check station. Now, the team has to make it right.
Making a mistake is not the end. Fixing it and making sure it never happens again is what builds a great reputation. Your business is strong. Now, what's the best way to use your profits? Perhaps it's time for an upgrade. Your business is strong and your quality is high. Now, what is the best way to use your profits? Perhaps it's time for an upgrade. That's a lesson on investing in your tools for next time on Pixelvestors.